In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can create a PNG logo using Canva. So PNG logo is essentially just a regular picture, except it has a transparency element. So let's say you have a square picture, but the logo is actually maybe circle, and the area surrounding it, the area that is in the corner of the circle, is not visible, and therefore you're getting a circular picture using the PNG format. And that's why PNG is very useful for displaying logo, because you can customize the size and the shape of the logo itself. Now, to get started, I do recommend using the square template. In this case, I'm using 9x16 Instagram template. So I'm going to click resize and I'm going to navigate to this section. I'm going to switch to logo. Logo is usually 500 by 500 pixel, but of course you can use any design, any shape of the template that you prefer. 500 is just the general rule of thumb, but I have seen people using much smaller or much bigger dimension. It's totally okay. It really depends on what you really need. So I do have this empty template, and there is nothing in here. So I'm going to add some logo. This is something that you can do automatically. I mean, you can use some available templates from Canva. I'm going to start with something that looks interesting, but it's okay. I'm going to try using a logo that has a transparency element. So let's start with something like, okay, I think this one is pretty good. The HR logo. Let's try the white one. I'm going to select all and I'm going to make it bigger. Let's put it back in the middle, and there you go. So if you actually download this logo, if you click share and then click download, and make sure to select PNG, and then if you just, let's say, download it normally, yes, it will be downloaded, but this logo wouldn't be transparent, meaning that this white area will be visible. So if I open this picture, you'll see there's this white area. So that's a problem. Now, if you want to get something transparent, you have to click share, download, again, select the file type to be PNG, and make sure to enable transparent background. That is probably the most important setting to apply, and click download again. Okay, let's do it again. I'm going to open, and there you go. So yeah, now we can see that there is this circle. This is probably not something that would be visible. I think this logo is supposed to be not transparent. It's supposed to have a white background. So yeah, this is a very complicated logo. So I'm going to try again with a different logo to make a point. Let's try something less complicated, I suppose. Okay, how about this one? Now I'm going to select all the elements and make it a bit bigger. And let's do the same thing. Share, download, PNG, and transparent background. Click on it. It means that this, I don't know, this is the gray beige color, won't be visible if you're using that setting. So this is actually transparent. So let's say if I add a new page, and let me just change the color to orange. And if I upload that picture, upload the logo with transparent background, you'll see that it has no background basically. So you can change the color of your design to whatever color that you want, and it's not going to affect this particular logo. So there you have it. That's how you can create a PNG transparent logo in Canva.